of a bishop that raped a pastor. Yani mchungaji alikula mchungaji mwanaume nyuma. What is that? Me keep telling you these things are scams. And this the religion is a scam. Na mimi nikiwaambia mtoke kwa hizo vitu mnaonanga mimi kama na siko fiti. Manzi, religion is a scam. This is nothing new. I want you to look at the Roman Empire. Look at all their Caesars. Most of them were gay men. Walikuwa wanalala na hadi small boys. And they are the authors of this Roman religion. Hii religion, hata it doesn't matter what you call your religion. The source is Roman, is the Roman religion. Tokeni. Manze, twendeni Malindi tukashike plot yuko hii Easter. Na tukae huko na tukue na kibonfire. Talk to me and get a plot in Malindi. Sawa?
Sini juzi hapa nimewambia wama pastors wengine wao na kuanga fake mbaya sana. Mmesikia hiyo story ya Pastor Ben Gitau? Imagine aliitwa na bishop kwake na huyo bishop akamdinya haga manze, surely. Na venye msa anaelezea na uchungu bana mpaka analia manze. Ukiona mwanaume ametoa machozi manze, noma sana. Anasema the experience was so rough and tough mpaka alitoa damu manze, surely. A whole bishop. Really? I think Ben Gitau deserves justice manze. Bishop anafaa kutafutwa na ashikwe jo. Alafu biwo
the church and sodomy. Today in the morning I came across a video where Steve Wakaniaru was listening to a pastor who was sodomized by a bishop. You see, I have been chased from the church 4 times because of my tattoos and my piercing. And I get reasons every day to never ever set foot in the church again. So that is the place parents take their children to be taught morals. I have never had a man cry, but that pastor cried. And when he was asked, aseme kile anataka, anasema, I just wanted to talk. Imtoke. That man is in pain. A lot of pain. Okay? And I pray that that bishop will live to feel the pain that pastor is going through. Come crucify me, I don't care. Dunia ni duara na huwa inakata kama msomeno mbele na nyuma. I pray Steve Wakaniaru offered help if he needed a counselor, if he needed funds. I have seen what Steve Wakaniaru does with, he's straightforward according to me, and his business. I pray he gets the help. And meanwhile, I don't think I can be convinced to ever walk into a church again. Those people who stand at the pulpits there, some of them, their difference with the devil is they're not scary. So you can't have the might to discern if they're real or not. Let God judge me for that.